Hello everybody and welcome back. My name is Roxana and today we are making this beautiful year-round wreath. We are working with some beautiful greenery. We also got these lovely yellow florals. We got some purple going on. We also got some of these little boogaloo. We got this beautiful ribbon which are made with my Bodabra. We also are working with a 105-inch ribbon. We got our scissors and let's get this started. Okay, first things first, we are going to attach this beautiful ribbon. I got my points from my other ribbons. We are just going to pin this up like this and get it on like that. I can find there. Got it. There. How lovely is that? Now, we are going to get our ribbon and we are going to work with our loops today. It's been a while. Okay, we're just going to grab some right here. We're going to make one loop, like a 12-inch loop, 12-inch loop. Got that going right here. And we're going to put that in and insert it right there. Simple, like that. Then we're going to take another one down and we are going to make one, two loops, and we're going to get that going in here. Got that right here, and we're going to insert that in here. I love working with this wire wreath because this could stick it in the thing in there and attach it to your wreath. There you go. Adjust the ribbon. There we go. Look at that. How gorgeous. Then we're going to work our way down and we are just going to do one loop. One simple loop. And we're going to attach it right here. Goes that one. Okay, now we're going to work our way down and we are going to make two beautiful loops like that. One, two, and there we go. We're going to attach that right here. We got that. Bam, look at that. How gorgeous. I love the ribbon. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Now, we are going to get our beautiful greenery going on. Yes, indeed. Just going to work it around. You could use your glue gun or you could use more wiring. It's up to you. Just going to get this going around in here. All around. A beautiful wreath. I like this greenery. It's pretty. Yeah. Pin it there. How beautiful. And let's get the other part. Get it going right here. There. Get the flow going this way. I'll lift them up and then there. Oh my, look at that. There. Okay, we're going to get more. Let's work our way around this way and step back and visualize and, you know, balance your items out. And we're going to come out with a beautiful one. You could use this year-round. I'm trying something new now, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Okay. Get some more right in here. Ay, ay, ay. That. We got that going right here, right there, right there. Look at that. Now I think we're going to get some more right in here. Just going. There. But now we got our florals we are working with. So get some more going right up in here. That going right here. Pin it in. Oh my, how lovely. Let's get some more. Good chemical right here. Right there, huh? Fill it up and there we go, everybody. Okay, and let's see what's going on over here. We got one more, everybody. Where can we put this one? I think we're going to work our way down in here. Right in here. We got that going right here. Oh my, how lovely. Just look at that. Wow, everybody. Okay, now we got this beautiful purple going on. Let's get some of these going. Let's work our way with the volume of the wreath. This is coming out so beautiful. Our wreaths are beautiful, you know. It's just so beautiful. Look at this. There, how gorgeous is that? Okay, then we got this beautiful orange, yellow going on. Like I said, you could use your glue gun. Some more wiring. But look at how beautiful. We got a couple more going on right here and another one right here. Let me see. There. Got another one going on right here. Oh my, look at that, everybody. We got these little berries. Let's get some right in here. There we go. And another one right in there. Here we go. We got it, everybody. Let me pin this up for everybody to see. And oh my, it came out gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, let me adjust my camera so we can see the beauty we made today. Oh my, look at that. Excuse the adjustment of my camera. How beautiful is that, everybody? Once again. Ay, ay, ay. Thanks for coming to, excuse me, but thanks for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful all year round wreath. Just be creative and enjoy what you're doing and you will come out with the beauty. Thumbs up or press the subscribe button. Until the next video, have a great day and let's get that beautiful smile on, everybody. Thanks for watching.